Hello and welcome to another ADHD Customs. In today's video we're carrying on with building my workshop out of road signs and whatever I can build it out of for free or cheap. So, don't mind me tripping over stuff. Right, let me show you what I'm working with here. So, what we got here is a pallet from my work, really long pallets these are. I needed pieces of wood long enough to go, because the problem I'm having is, see this here, see where the roof overhangs, I can't get these, oh sorry, I've also got all of these pieces of corrugated metal which are going to be the sides. So, this overhang here stops me from getting the corrugated up high enough to get a bolt through it, so I'm going to have to use these pieces of wood here. I have to strip these down and put them between the pieces of metal here and here, and then that will allow me to screw or bolt the corrugated sheet to that. So first things first, I need to strip all the wood off these. There we have it. Wood is all now split, but it does have these nails everywhere, so the next job, which I'm not going to film because it's boring, is to either remove or flatten all these nails. Okay, next stage is to drill holes in the metal there and there in the pole for me to be able to put this through a piece of wood and then through here to bolt the wood on. So pilot bit and then a bigger bit for the bolt. So here we go. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. That there, bolt for the other side. I'm thinking, my plan was to put it on this side, but then it's gonna hit this, and I want to kind of go one side of this. So I'm thinking maybe if I put the boards, the corrugated sheets, on this side and just have them going up to here, and then down and bolt into that bar there. That's what I'm thinking I might do. Yes. I think that will be the way to do it. So, or maybe do I just, how many bits of wood have we got? If we've got 12, then I might just put a piece of wood there, screw it straight on. We'll see. Let me get on with this and we'll see. Okay, I've made a decision. Decision. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do what I've done on this one here. I'm going to bolt it on this side, on the inside, and then at the bottom on the inside I've got enough pieces of wood, and then all I've got to do is cut them to size, stick them on the inside, and then what that also gives me is, I think this is pallet wood, so hopefully it's treated. I'll paint it anyway. So what that will do is it will give me a lovely corrugated effect all around the inside without any beams. So yeah, that'll be good. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. So let's get on with this. Okay, the problem I've got now is, well, not a problem really. I've done a piece of wood there, piece of wood there. I'm going to clad it on the inside, that way it tucks underneath the roof nicely, and all the nasty shit's on the outside, so you can see it. But I've got, when it comes down to the floor there, I've got to go over these buckets with concrete in. So I've just quickly marked off on there. I'm just going to cut it off with the angle grinder. You see, there, square at the bottom. I'm just going to cut it off on the angle grinder and go from there. Right. I have to cut these off because they're in the way. Try again. Okay. There. I'm going to take a little bit off this corner, off this curve of this roof, but actually no, it might be alright. That's going to work. Okay. Yeah. What I'll do is I'll drill little holes in here and I'll just screw this straight through. I might actually want to bolt it, but it does get very windy here. But we'll see for now. I think I might put this first piece on. So let's get his first piece on and see how it looks. There's a drill. Right. Now we've got as far as this, so let me flip it round. Right, we've got to here now. Looking alright actually. It's going to be dark in here, but it's a good job I bought a light today. But look at that. That's kind of what it's going to look like. I saw somebody hiding behind the gate then. Who's that? Hello, is anybody there? Is anybody there? Ooh. Come in, whoever you are. Don't then. Right, back to it then. There we go. This is how it's looking at the moment. Okay, there we have another piece I've just done. Finished off the roof in that corner. So far we have this side done down to there. Let me move back a bit so you can see better. So far we have done this side done all the way down to there. We have the roof finished. So I'm going to call it for today. It's been a long day. I've not been doing this all day, I've been doing other stuff as well. So yeah, that's that last pit done. Yeah, we are getting there. So I shall hit you up when I start doing the follow-up to this and carry on doing it. So until next time, see you next time.